Alright guys, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button and thank you very much. Well, here it is right in front of you. Well, before I continue, let me tell you the background of how I got this. Um, let's go back in December. I got the my first rugged smartphone, Android smartphone. It was the Doogee S96 Pro. And, the specs of it was pretty impressive. It, has night vision, which was the thing that I was looking for to, was the night vision, it being a rugged phone. It was IP68 rated, IP69K rated. So overall, it was, supposed to be like a tank. Well, most of you will know that, and I posted videos of it, that the flaw of the Doogee S96 Pro, at least for the one I gotten, it was the GPS. I had poor or no GPS signal, so I couldn't use the phone itself as a navigation location or anything. I had to get an external GPS receiver just to use to be able to use the navigation. And so that was sort of fine and dandy, but just a couple of weeks ago, I went to the pool, summertime. My daughter's here for the summer, and I did some underwater shots of my daughter doing, swimming. And and to note also, this was not, the phone was never in the deep of the water. I was actually holding it up before I put it down into the water. So, I probably went only a few inches below the water. So, IP68 normally is supposed to be about 1.5 meters, which is pretty close to 5 feet, and submersible for about 30 minutes, at 1.5 meters. That's what it's supposed to be. So when I was using it underwater, the Doogee, it's it wasn't that long underwater, and it was only about, the most is about 6 inches underwater. But after that, I found more hiccups of the phone. The fingerprint sensors no longer work, and I wasn't able to unlock or to be able to use it, because I also use fingerprint unlock for, like, for example, my bank accounts and everything else, and the fingerprint sensor doesn't work. So, and besides that, there was another issue, and it happened to be, it affected the microphone, and for some strange reason, I when on a phone call, I couldn't, the other person on the line couldn't hear me, and when I switch it to speakerphone, they're able to hear me. So in a way, it's kind of strange, because the microphone, you know, I guess there is two microphones on it. There's one for speakerphone, and then there's one for the regular phones call sensing or something. But uh, uh, it also affected my text to, or what is it, speech to text. For example, when I'm using the Google keyboard, and you hit the mic and then you could just talk and then it'll transfer it to text. Nope, that did not work either. So uh, a good example, if I'm using the Google Maps, and when I want to hit it, I actually you know type in a destination, I could just hit the microphone and then uh, you know tell Google where to go, and it'll transfer it to text. But that didn't work. So overall, it made it more useless, the Doogee one, and I end up with this one. So this is the AGM H5. It's the AGM Glory series, I believe. And let's cut to the chase. And I guess this is gonna be an uh, opening or box opening video, and I'll make another video after I use it. Okay. As far as I can tell, this is brand new from at least the plastic wrapping. It wrapped it. It's wrapped, fully wrapped, like there. And then here we go. All right, finally. Okay, put that to the side. And there's the SIM card pin to help open the SIM card. And let's see, stickers. Yeah, okay. And the manual, nice thick manual. Okay, warranty card. Okay, and there is the phone. Wow, this is a beast. All right. I believe underneath it is the Type-C cable, and I believe these are extra. Let's see. Yeah, these are extra seals for the charging port and the SIM card. So I believe those are extra. So I gotta open up the phone thing and see if that is. But if that is, then that's pretty cool. Extra, just in case you lose it. And then, of course, the US charging box, or yeah. All right, and here is the phone. Let's open it. Now, I've seen other videos where they just end up tearing the whole thing, but for me, let me see, I'll just push it out. There you go. Now, it looks pretty simple from the front, but yeah, the back. There it is. This is the main feature of this phone, the AGM H5. As you can see, it boasts a total of 48 megapixel back camera, and I believe the front camera is 20 megapixels. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, it's supposed to be a 20 megapixel front camera for selfie, and then the back 48 megapixel total. And it also is a night vision, which is a plus, at least for me. You can see the infrared uh, light right here. Flashlight right here, infrared, and then here's the regular flash. You could use it as a flashlight also. And this phone boasts a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, so uh, enough power and juice to last for days. The one I got is a 6 gigabyte memory with 128 gigabytes of storage space. So they also have it in a lesser value at 4 gigabytes memory and 64 gigabytes of space. But for me, I needed the 128 gigabytes. And then it also, in the SIM card tray, you could add a micro SD card or TF card at least from the specs. It says we're able to take it up to 512 gigabytes. We could expand it to that. I'm not sure if we can use a 512 or get a card that adds up to 128 to 512. So I'm not gonna quote that, but I did order another 128 gigabytes micro SD card to add more space and storage to it. But yeah, there it is, guys. I'm not gonna turn it on and show you the functions or anything yet. I'm actually gonna use this for a week first, but I'm gonna make sure that the first thing that I do test is the GPS, that's the main thing. Any phone, at least smartphone without GPS is somewhat useless, because our phone is our everything, our navigation, our work, our social. So all right, guys, there it is. This is the AGM H5 rugged smartphone, and that would be it. Peace.